See security notice on GCash. It usually means the app detected something unusual, like new device, VPN use, outdated app, or suspicious login. Try this fix. Hi, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In this video, I will share with you how to fix GCash Security Notice. So the first step you have to take is to update your GCash app by going to your Google Play Store, search for GCash, tap update if it's available. The next is for you to restart your phone after updating your GCash app. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to turn off your VPN. If you make use of VPN, GCash may block access if VPN is active. You can go to your settings or network or VPN, turn it off, and then reopen the app. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to clear app cache by going to your app. So to go to your app, you need to click on the app management here. Click on your app list. So you just have to search for GCash by typing GCash here. So I'll click on it, click on storage and cache, and clear my cache. Having done that, you just have to restart your phone and open the app again. So the next thing you have to do, if this does not work for you, is to verify your account on GCash. So the notice may appear if your account needs verification on your GCash. So all you have to do is to follow the in-app instruction to confirm your identification by the use of ID or selfie verification. The next step you have to take, if this did not work for you, is to check device security by removing screen overlay or suspicious app. Having done that, you have to turn off your phone developers option. If the issue continues, reinstall the app and uninstall the app. To reinstall the app, all you have to do is to go to the home page of your phone, search for GCash, click steadily on it. You're going to see the uninstall option. You just have to uninstall it, then restart your phone, go to your Google Play Store and install it again. Next thing you have to do, if this does not work for you, is to contact GCash support. If the notice still appears, use help center inside the app or the official website to report the issue, including a screenshot of the security notice. So guys, that is it on how to fix security notice on GCash. If this video was helpful, please do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.